Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So finally we have an official release date of the OneUi 7 update and a new update available on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So today in this video we will check out them. So starting off with the update, you will have to go into your settings, then about phone, then you have to go into your software information, and then you have to select this Google Play System update. From here, you will get to see a new Google Play System update available of a size 1.2 MBs. This is the latest security update from Google to keep your device safe and improve the stability. You will have to simply download the update, then you have to tap on this restart now to complete the installation process of this update. And make sure to install this when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during the installation process. And finally, the update is installed on my device. There are some other updates also available in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys can check out. For that, you will have to go into your Galaxy store, and from here you have to select this menu option over here. Now you have to tap on this updates. After tapping on updates, you will get to see that there are multiple new app updates available that you can update, such as Air Emoji, Samsung Wallet, Samsung Free, Samsung Cloud, Samsung Notes. Also a Good Lock update is available. So this update from the Good Lock application includes some of the bug fixes that you guys were facing before, and you can mark your favorite apps for quick access now. You can also update single app, or you can update all the apps by simply tapping on this update all option. Now if we talk about the OneUi 7 update, so the OneUi 7 beta version is now rolling out on more devices and in some countries such as the Galaxy S23 series. Also, the Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, A55 and the Tab S10 series are included in the new device list. And according to their website, the OneUi 7 will be released in the month of April, and according to the rumors, it will be released on the April 18th. So this is the new expected release date of the OneUi 7 for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And we hope that we will not get to see some more delays, and now we will finally get the OneUi 7 update. And that's wrap for today's video. This was the new update available. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.